Assalamu alaikum, this is Porosh. One of my students has requested me saying that whether it is possible to make a web search using ActionScript 3, and it is possible, but one thing I should tell you that ActionScript 3 cannot search thing itself, but it can make browser to search for you. And today I'm going to show you how to do this. Here I am using Animate. I'll click create new. Here I have got a lot of options. I'll select ActionScript 3 and then click create. Here I have got a blank document and I'll change the dimension to 600 and height to 200. Okay, and now to make this project I need to have text field to search specific text or a specific thing on web. So I'm gonna select this text tool and here I will change it to input text and then I'll select border around the text and I'll drag and draw text field. And here I've got the text field and now I'll align it. Okay, and here I'll give this text an instant name saying search underscore txt, and now I need to have a button, so I'll click component and I'll drag a button for it. Okay, and make it a little bit smaller. I think it's okay, and if I test it, but first I have to save this file. So file, save. I'll save it on my desktop. Here I'll name it web search. Web search. My file has been saved, and if I test it, here you see I have a search bar and a button, but it is showing label text here, so I'd like to change it. So I have to give an instant name of this button first. Search button. I'll copy this instant name, insert a layer, rename the layer saying action, select the first frame of the layer, action layer. I'll go to the action panel and type here stop, and now I'll paste the instant name of the button and dot label equal to be search. If I test it, I should see that my button label has been changed, replacing this search text. Control test. Yes, it is working fine. And now I want to have some text here, and when I click search, it should open a browser and search that specific thing. So here I'll type an event listener and it would be a click event listener. So I'll type here search button dot add event listener, need to be mouse event dot click and the function name web search. You can name anything you'd like to. Function web search event mouse event, closing parenthesis, opening curly brace, closing curly brace. And now here I'll say navigate to URL, opening parenthesis, new URL, request, opening parenthesis, double quote, http colon www.google.com/search question mark q equal to closing double quote plus name of this box search underscore txt dot text closing parenthesis semicolon. That means when I click the search button, it will open a Google page, and also it will take the text of this search text. Okay, so save it. If I test it, it should work. And if I type here my name, and it is saying we are having trouble finding. Okay, change it to no, I think I made some mistake here. Sorry, I typed W 4 times. Okay, now it will work, I think. Save it, control test. And now it is working. Here you see I can search Tariqur Rahman, and if I change it to YouTube, then you see here YouTube and also here YouTube. That means it is working fine. And now I want the same thing when I press enter. So type here stage dot add event listener, keyboard event key down, key search function name, key search event, keyboard event. And now if I type here if event dot key code equal to keyboard dot enter, then I want to have this text here too. Save it. If I test it, type here Facebook, press enter, and it is searching Facebook for me. And that's it. I think you have learned something from this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, or if you think that it is helpful to you, please do subscribe me, put a lot of comments, share this video so that other people may also be benefited from this tutorial. Stay cool. Assalamu alaikum.